Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update today for Monday 5th of September. And business continues as usual. Let's dive into the weekly first of all, and we're going to talk about the weekly time frame. So you can already see that the weekly, as I talked about yesterday, has closed in an inverted hammer, which is quite positive, to be honest with you. This is a very positive closing on the weekly time frame. Monday has already started, the new week has started. We have 6 days to see what really happens now. What I can say is that at the moment there are the technical target to the downside is still pending to go to $18,000. How it does go there, maybe Monday, Tuesday, but still I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually come down here. Just because you made this inverted hammer doesn't really mean you cannot break it. I just want to see how much volume this hammer really has, and that's quite a lot of volume, right? For such a small candle, that's a very big volume, to be honest. Just look at how big that volume and how small that candlestick is. So there is something, this definitely means something, and that's positive, really positive. My take is that it could be a quick wick to 18,000 and then go back up. Who knows? Something like that can happen. But there's one more thing that I want to point out, and that is, Bitcoin is under a resistance right now. So if I do bring this line right there, you can already see that Bitcoin has made a case of death, in my opinion. So you do have one support here. You have the second support right there. You have the third support right over here. Moved to the upside, came down, lost that support, went up like this, and it has still lost that support level. So chart reading wise, we still have to go down, just because volume is not the only factor that we consider. There's a lot of factors to consider as well. So that's the bear flag. Went to the downside, closed below like this. What was previously support has turned into resistance, just because on the weekly you have done I do get the weekly inverted hammer, but unfortunately the daily still shows that that is in a lot of trouble. Bitcoin is in a lot of trouble. I just want to look at the weekly once again, and yep, this is just a very mini wick to the upside that you made on the weekly. You can see that there's this small tiny wick, and that means that this inverted hammer potentially could have already played out as well. So whatever happens, my take at the moment is that to be on the safe side, right, we still need Bitcoin to make it above that line. You want to see Bitcoin to just go a little bit back up here, break it out, and hold this line as a retest, and that inverted hammer is going to be in play, and we're going to break the resistance, so we don't have any doubt anymore about what is going to happen to Bitcoin, right? And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.